Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to use high power mode on the 16-inch M1 Max MacBook Pro. Apple's latest 16-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 Max Apple Silicon chip features a new high power mode for intensive, sustained workloads. The new 16-inch MacBook Pro with M1 Max chip includes a new high power mode that is designed to optimize performance to better support resource-intensive tasks such as color grading 8K ProRes video, according to Apple. That all being said, let's learn how to use power mode on the 16-inch M1 Max MacBook Pro. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To get going, click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and select System Preferences. Then click the battery icon in the Preferences panel. Then select Power Adapter from the sidebar. Where it says Energy Mode, click the selection box and choose High Power. That's all there is to it. Note that high power mode may result in louder fan noise for as long as it's turned on. It's worth pointing out that the bottom of the MacBook Pro may also become noticeably hotter to the touch, but rest assured that while the feature can cause the M1 Max chip to run hotter, the mode also ramps up the fan speeds to accommodate this. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can take advantage of the high power mode to speed up your tasks on your brand new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to amp up your productivity. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.